Okay, sir.
Students, so today we will do some interesting sums based upon logarithm. Well, these sums are based upon three laws of logarithm, and I would like to ask students only what are the laws. So voluntarily, any student can tell me the first of all product law. Tell me what is product law. Nobody? Log of, let's say, m
Sir,
into
log of m into n.
to the base a, and a should be non-zero. A should be non-zero is equal to, yes Hamza? Other student be ready with quotient law, and one more student be ready with the third one is power law. Power law. Yeah, fatafat. Log of a number which is a product of, let's say, m and n. So m and n are the factors of that number. Log of m into n to the base a is equal to, yes Hamza? Log of Hamza?
Log of m into n
No.
of base a
No,
is
no, no.
equal to
Yeah, the log of m to the base a. Bolo.
plus log of n to the base a.
Beautiful. That's great. Yes, one Samrat. Next. Quotient law.
Third log of m divided by n.
So now we are
Uh,
dividing. We are taking log of a fraction, or simply we can say log of a number, which is which is getting divided, which is expressed in the form of numerator and denominator is equal to, yes, one Samrat.
is equals to log of m over a
To the base a
a
minus.
minus log of n to the base a.
Okay, good. Monroe's power law. Yes, Monroe's power law.
Sir, log of m raised to power n to the base a
To the base a, very good. So clearly she's
is
speaking.
equal to
Yes.
log of
m
m
to the base a,
to the base.
and
Sir,
base,
in front n.
yes, it will be multiplied by n, or you can say n times log of m to the base a. Very right. Another thing we learned was, students, log of 1 is always, log of 1 is always, to any base, is always 0. Okay, you are
0.
forgetting nothing. Then log of 10 to the base 10 is equal to,
1.
1.
1.
so what about log of 100? 100 can be expressed as 10 square to the base 10. So 2 will come here,
2.
right? 2, and log of 10 to the base 10 is 1. So this is equal to 1. So we can use the power law to find out this law. Okay, and then student, one more very important thing. Very important thing, where over a period of time when you are not doing log, you will forget. You see, very important. Students, just see. Log of m into log of n is equal to, is not equal to this. Please try to understand. Lot of students make the mistake in this formula. Log of n into log of n is not equal to log of n plus log of n. Well, this is equal to nothing. It's simply equal to this only, log of n into log of n. Similarly, never ever do the confusion of log of m divided by log of n. Don't write it as log of m minus log of n. So this is nothing. This is what is written. It's same. All right, students, is it clear? Amanat, Falgun, Mehtab, is it clear? It's clear. Okay, that's great, huh? Very good. So now let's do the sums. Based upon these, we have so many sums. So what is the first sum? So guys, yes, students, we need to prove this. So anybody will guide me how, one by one. how can we prove this left side is equal to log 2 using all the three laws, that is product law, then quotient law, and then that is power law. Anyone give me any idea?
So firstly, we can use the power law. We can
Sure.
write log 15 upon 18 minus log 25 upon 162.
So this two, Mansimrat, can go to the power, because this is
Yes,
from
sir.
where it came. Okay, minus comes log what? 25 by
25.
162 plus log 4 by 9. Am I right?
Right.
Okay, any
Yes, sir.
student will guide me? So this will be, now let's add this and this. So it's like we will use the what? We will use the this law, product law, log of m into n is equal to log m plus log n. Am I right? So when we add this and this, so what it will be now? If you combine these, you can say 15 by 18 square and 4 by 9 are the factors of some number. So we will now multiply those factors. Am I right? 15 by 8
Yes, sir.
whole square into what? Tell me, Deep. What will come here? 15 by 18 square into, add this one and this one. Any student?
So 4 by 9.
4 by 9.
Okay, then minus log of 25 by 162. Okay. Now next, students, now you consider this as one number. You consider this as one number and this as other number. So now we have, now which law will be applicable, Mehtab?
Question.
Quotient law.
Quotient law. Don't say question, quotient law. Very good. So, Mehtab, please tell what it will become. So log of, it's like this is m minus log n is equal to log of m by n, right? So this is 15 into 15 into 4 divided by 18 into 9. I'm expanding this, right? So what it will become? Divided by 25 by 162. Am I right, students? Divided by 25 by 162. Is it right? Is it right, students?
Sir, here the 18 square
18
the
into
18.
18 into 9.
One student, please speak. Bolo.
18
here
into
the
18 into 9.
It should be 18 into 18. Yes. Am I right now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct. So this will be equal to. Now I want Monrose to explain. So it will be 15 into Monrose.
Sure, I don't know.
अरे यार simply Monrose divide कर रहे हैं ना इधर नाल. So we will multiply by reciprocal of this. You see 2 by 5 बच्चे divided by 7 by 2 is equal to, never feel disheartened. 2 by 5 into, do the reciprocal of this, 2 by 7. That's all. So take reciprocal of this. 15 into 15 into 4 divided by 18 into 18 into 9 multiplied by, tell me Monrose, reciprocal of this, 60.
162 upon 24.
Yeah.
25.
Bache, never feel disheartened. Everything is possible. Okay. Now change the color. Do multiplication. So, okay. 18 into what is 62? 9. 9 cancels with 9. Okay. Then this is, you can say 5. 3 are 15. 5 5s are 25. Then 5 3s are 15. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, and 2 2s are 4. So what is left? This is equal to log Students, tell me. Everything has been correct. So what is remaining?
2.
Bolo, bolo.
2.
Yeah, 2. That is equal to right hand side. Beautiful. Yes, students. Now let's solve this for x. He is given log of x minus 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. How we will solve this? So, students, again, we get back to the definition of log. If 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3 is equal to, tell me, 8, how we will convert this exponent form into log form? Log of, yes, log of, tell me students,
8.
2 to the base
8 to the base 2
is equal
equals
to
to 3.
the power.
3.
How you will remember, you students? So right side is 8, you will take log of 8. See students, one thing you can easily remember, one thing is matching. Here 2 is base and 3 is power. Am I right? Hello students?
Yes, sir.
2 is the base. 2 is the base here. Here also 2 becomes the base of log. This you always remember. 2 is the base and here also 2 will become base of log.
Log.
It will become base of log. 2 is the base here. 2 will become base of log. Now log of 8, base क्या होगा? 2 is equal to the power 3. Now tell me, 4 raised to power 3 is equal to 64. Falgun, convert this into log. Falgun,
Yes, sir.
convert this into log form.
Log
Log of?
64.
No, log of. Say log of.
Log of 64.
Yes. To the base.
3.
No.
Sorry,
no.
4.
3 is the power. Falgun, never. You're wrong. 4 is the base. You see, when you do x raised to power y is the power and x is the
Base.
base. So x is base here. Here also x will become base, or here 4 is the base, 4 will be the base, is equal to 3. Falgun, do this please. 10 raised to power 3 is 1000. Convert this into log. Falgun.
Log of 1000.
Yes.
Base
To the base.
10.
Yes,
To the
because
base.
10 was base here. Here also 10 is equal to
3.
beautiful. Very good girl. So similarly, now this is logarithmic form. We want to solve for x. How you will convert this into exponential form, students? Yes. Falgun, can
Sir,
you? Yeah, anyone can do.
sir, 10 raised to power 1.
Yeah, because you are right, Manrosdeep Kaur. Here it is the base, and in exponential form also 10 will become base. Base 1. This 1 initially was the power. 1 was the, you see, 4 raised to power 3, 64. 3 came on right side. So 1 must have been power of 10. So tell me, Manrose, the full form.
10 raised to power 1 is equal to x minus 10.
Further, solve it.
So anything raised to power 10 is 10 only.
Yeah, so x is equal to,
0.
20.
come on, stupid. Minus 10 to this side. 10 is
20.
20.
Those don't make these mistakes. Otherwise, we'll send you to Afghanistan. Okay? Fine. So now, who will do this sum? Fatafat. We have only 12 minutes more. Yes. Now, here remember, if nothing is given, then we know what is the base. Base is not given.
10 is the base.
10 is the base.
10 is the base.
Deep, you do this.
So can I?
No, Deep.
So 10 raised to power 2 is equals to x square minus 21.
So great girl. Next.
100 is equals to x square minus 21.
Or 100 plus 21 is equal to x square, and that is equal to 121. So x will be equal to 11. Correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. Beautiful. That's great. That's great. All right. So we do next sum, students. Who will do this sum? Yes. Any volunteer to do this sum? Any volunteer? 2 log x minus log y is equal to 1. Shall I? Okay, Mansimrat, you do it.
Sir, log x divided by y whole x by y raised to power 2 is equals to 1.
No. You're wrong, beta. First, you convert 2 log x. Remove this 2. Then you go for the division. So this is equal to log of
X square.
x square. Yes. So this will be log of x square minus log of
Log.
y is equal to 1. Before you apply the any law, try to make sure that nothing is here. So now this is your m x square and this is your n. So log m minus n, see, log of m minus log n is equal to log of, tell me, log m minus log n.
M
Log of
divided
m
by n.
upon log of n.
Yes, log of m divided by n. Which law is this?
Quotient law.
This is
Quotient law.
quotient law. So, Shamir, do this. Now, Shamir, do this. So this is the m, Shamir,
Which one,
very
sir?
simple. This is n. So this will become log of m by n. So it will be x squared by
Y.
x squared by
Y, sir.
y is equal to 1. Very good. Now convert this back to exponential form. Who will do? Yes, Mansimrat?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, 10 10 raised to power 1
Is equal to x squared by,
x squared by y.
or you can say x squared is equal to 10y. Very
Y.
good. This is a relation. Okay, now last sum is little tricky. So this is the sum where I had told you that a lot of students make the mistake. In the quotient law, we have log of what? M by n. You see, it is not log m by log n is equal to log of m minus log of n. Remember that. But here it is given log of 81 divided by log of 27 is equal to x. Any student can tell me how we can do it? So students, here,
So log of 9 square.
yes, perfectly right. Very good. Log of, this is 9 square divided by log of what?
3 cube.
3 cube, okay, good, is equal to x. So you have thought in the right way, Hamza, but you have not thought perfectly because the base should have been same. So can you convert 9 square into 3 raised to power something? Yeah, the
So
base is
3
9.
raised to power
So
4.
3 raised to power
3
4
raised to power 4.
perfectly. Perfectly right. And here it is log 3 cube is equal to x. Beautiful. Next step, students.
Sir, we'll shift log 3 cube upside. Log 3 raised to power 4 into log 3 raised to power 3.
No. Anyone?
Sir, we will use
Outside.
power law.
What?
Sir, we will use power law.
Yeah, use it. Please use it.
Sir, 4 log 3, 4
Correct.
log of
क्योंकि हमने कैंसिल
upon
करना है ना log 3 को. Put 4 in the front, and here it is.
3 log of 3.
Beautiful. 3 log 3 is equal to x. So simply x is equal to 4 by 3. X is equal to 4 by, tell me students.
3.
4
by
by 3. Beautiful. You have done it. Okay. Hello students. You must sometimes wonder why we learn log. See one small application of log. Let's say students, we have 23 raised to power 2 by 3. Okay. And someone says solve it. 23 raised to power 2 by 3. So first we should, we should just think in this manner that we can take, let's say 23 raised to power 23, we want to find out, let's say this is equal to x. Let's take log on both sides. So it becomes log of 27 raised to power 2 by 3 is equal to log of x. So this is actually 2 by 3 log of 27, right, is equal to log of x. All right, student. So now, here, if you see, this can be 2 by 3 log of what? 2 of 3 log of, maybe you can write 3 raised to power 3 is equal to log of x, right? So